Georgia. You hear the construction? I mean, they are working on this beautiful day. I had to bring this community to you guys, and I have all of the amenities. The list is so long, I had to get the paper just to read the amenities to you guys. I mean, if you want to feel like you're on a resort every day of your life without going on vacation, this is the community for you. And I mean, the HOA fees is under $800 a year. $800, how cool is that? But let me tell you what you get with that $800 a year. I mean, you get the water park with the Junior Olympic pool. You get a clubhouse, 10 lighted tennis courts. I said it, 10 lighted tennis courts. You get basketball courts, volleyball court, walking paths, playground, outdoor amphitheater, community garden. How cool is that? Where would you get a community garden in a subdivision? It doesn't even feel like a subdivision out here, guys. It feels like I'm on a resort in Florida, really. I'm gonna show you these amenities. It's gonna blow you away. Look at it. We have several opportunities. I mean, several opportunities. Different floor plans for everything that a person would need. From 4 bedrooms to 5 bedrooms. From 3.5 baths to 4.5 baths. I mean, we have it. On top of a world-class amenity community. But I'm gonna show you the amenities, and I'm gonna let you comment or call me and say, D-Lowe, I need to be somewhere like that. A resort. You go to work, you run your business, but you come home to this world-class resort. It'll be yours for $800 a year. You can't beat that. You really can't beat that. So I'm gonna show you what we have to offer out here in regards to the amenities, and I want you to give me some comments below.